Hello Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 13th to August the 15th reading. Cancer, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayo doon sa ating kabilang channel, that is Pabaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international channel. Ano po, nagla-live din po tayo doon. You're very much welcome, pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section. Ayan, Cancer, as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no, ha? So Cancer, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Cancer, I feel like parang napapansin dito ng tao na medyo malungkot. Pwedeng ikaw yung malungkot or yung person mo yung malungkot. You can switch the energies. What I am reading here is the dynamic, or parehas kayong malungkot. It felt like nag-antay tayo ng ganun katagal, no? Para there's a strong hope in here na things are gonna get better, no? Mapupunta ito sa isang relationship na inaakala natin, no? Pero it kind of like parang false hopes. Parang nangyari din dito yung sabihin natin, yeah, I have high expectations that this connection is heading towards into some romantic, no, relationship. So, it felt like someone here parang nanawang mag-antay. Nanawa siya na yung parang sabihin natin na ang tagal ko nang inaantay, ang tagal ko namang sinasabi na or pinaparamdam na mahal ko itong taong to. Pero it felt like the other person became complacent, no, sa isang situation na siguro nag-enjoy siya or nag-e-enjoy siya sa mga bagay na na-experience niya nung kayo without them moving. Kung kumbaga hindi niya talaga inuusog, no, ang baso. With the King of Swords and the Knight of yeah, I'm seeing here there's a lot of promises, no, that this person probably is doing or saying rather. Pero yung promises na yon, parang ni isa doon wala pang natutupad, hindi nangyayari. Parang sa'yo, talk is cheap, no? I don't want to buy that energies again, those promises again. Kasi para sa akin, if you truly mean what you say, no, you're gonna do a thing to make it happen. But I am not seeing any moves at all. For a few numbers of you, baka kasi one of the issues in here is, should I, sabihin natin, pwedeng ikaw to, you are focusing on your career, no, per se. Hindi ka naman naghahanap ng love, or you thought you're not looking for love. Pero you went into a specific department, dynamic, or situation, a box, whatever event or situation that may be, na you're just focusing on yourself and your growth. Hindi natin inaasahan tumibok ang ating puso na pana tayo ni Cupido. Napana ni Kampana. Oh my God. Ang sakit naman nun. Ang laki ng kampana. What I am seeing in here is, parang ngayon, pinipili mo, should I prioritize relationship or should I prioritize romance? Because for me, it felt like I cannot do both. No, feeling ko hindi ko mapagsasabay. Meron akong dapat is-sacrifice. What are you sacrificing? Kasi parang sa'yo, romance is not your priority. kahit na mahal natin yung tao. Don't get me wrong, no? Dun sa mga cross-watchers, meron na siyang nararamdaman. May nararamdaman na si Cancer. Pero parang sinasabi niya dito, ang dami ko pang pangarap sa buhay, no? I know na kapag pumasok ko sa relasyon na ito, maybe not all, yung ibang pangarap ko pwedeng isaalang-alang ko. But I think that what Cancer is doing in here, wala rin namang masama kung uunahin niya yung sarili niya. Siguro ang nakikita ko lang dito, meron talagang taong naiinip na, no? Kaya nagkakaroon ng issues ngayon dahil hanggang kailan ako mag-aantay, hanggang kailan ko sasabihin sa sarili ko na kakayanin na parang nasa isang tabi lang, no? I feel like I'm a wallflower, no? With the I'm at the second best. With the seven of cups, nine of cups, and the six of wands. Ang ganda ng mga sinasabi mo. Ang ganda ng mga plano mo. Pero kailan? 'Di ba? Katulad ng sinabi ko, wala namang mali. Siguro ang pinaka takeaway na dito, no, nung tao is at least wala naman akong third party, no? Kung meron man akong pinagkakasayahan ng panahon, this is my career, my finances, myself. So, is that selfish? I don't think so. No, I don't think na siguro yung assumption ng kabilang kampo na napaka-selfish. Pero I believe that kasi kapag nakuha naman na to ni Cancer, no, itong mga gusto niyang marating, nasa list naman yung love, yun nga lang, hindi na nakakapag-antay si person. Yun ang issues. Tignan natin dito ang emotion. This could be your person's emotion or it could be your emotion too. You have to be patient and will you help me? So, napaka-straightforward, no? Siguro, sinasabi dito ni Cancer, I came from not well off family. Are you going to help me, no, with all the finances, the obligations, no? If not, then probably you have to wait, di ba? And ang nakikita ko dito is parang kasing wala talaga pang ganong time. You have to be patient. So, nasa probably go-getter itong si Cancer, no? Or career-oriented. Pero nasa nga kay person yun kung talagang mag-aantay siya. And I feel like yun nga, naiinip. Kaya medyo on a rocky situation as of the moment. Let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, baka kapwa Cancer ito, Capricorn, Leo. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, yan, nabuo sila. So this is your reading. Cancer, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, again dun po sa kabilang channel yun, no? Kung hindi niyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So kung hindi po kayo, no, kilalang-kilala niyo yung sarili niyo, Cancer, kung alam niyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating description box. There is actually a link, no, to my website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po lahat ng information. Sa pinakababa, nandun po yung question form. Ibaba niyo pa, nandun po yung QR codes, how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. Nandun din po sa QR codes yung 4 questions plus 1, take advantage of it. That's actually a discounted price. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box sa QR codes. Makikita nyo po, no? So, Cancer, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. If you want to win a private reading or personal reading, please report those fake accounts and then take a screenshot, send it to the designated email, no? And kung hinahanap niyo po yung X-Files, yung reading about exes, nasa Facebook po siya, no? Nilipat ko po. So, para wala pong mag-aaway dito sa YouTube. So, the Facebook account is Babaylan TV. Verified naman siya. Madali siyang hanapin. So, Cancer, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.